In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Google Sheets as Excel or PDF for offline access. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your spreadsheet and open it without an internet connection while keeping things simple and reliable. Start by opening your Google Sheets document in a web browser. Any modern browser works well: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Make sure the sheet you want to export is active on the screen and fully loaded so all your latest changes are included. Next, look to the top left of the page and click on the File menu in the toolbar. This is where Google Sheets keeps all its export and sharing options. If you don't see the toolbar, try maximizing the window or zooming out slightly so the menu is visible. Now hover your mouse over the download option. Don't click yet, just hover. A submenu will appear showing the available file formats. You'll see choices like Microsoft Excel, PXLX, and PDF.pdf, among others. This lets you pick a format that matches how you plan to use the file offline. Select the format you prefer. If you want to keep editing your spreadsheet in another program, choose Microsoft Excel, LSX. If your goal is to share or print a read-only version with consistent formatting, choose PDF.pdf. When you click your choice, Google Sheets will prepare the file and your browser will begin the download. The file will be saved to your computer's default download location. For most people, that's the Downloads folder. On Windows, check the Downloads folder in File Explorer. On Mac, look in Finder under Downloads. And on many browsers, you can also see it in the Downloads panel or tray. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick the folder you prefer and confirm. If nothing seems to happen, check for a small download icon or verify that your browser isn't blocking downloads. Once the download finishes, open the file in a compatible program to access your sheet offline. For .xlsx files, use Microsoft Excel. Apple Numbers and LibreOffice Calc can also open them. For PDFs, any standard PDF viewer will work. Opening the exported file ensures you can review, present, or edit your data even without internet access. If you're collaborating, remember that offline changes made to an exported copy won't sync back to Google Sheets automatically. You'd need to re-upload or share the updated version later. And that's it. You've exported your Google Sheets file and opened it offline, quickly and confidently.